I can see why Jessica was intimidated, but not as intimidating as it is knowing what to do when it comes to the tax filing season. So we'd like to welcome back our tax expert, Miss Charlene Muniz from Bilingual Tax Services. Welcome back, young lady.
Thank you for having me back.
No
Bienvenida,
Gracias.
una vez más.
Yeah.
Ay, 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 hablamos español.
Sí.
Sí.
There you go.
Yes, all I
You
know
have
is
to catch
sí.
up with us now.
All right, so Charlene, we are clearly halfway through this year, 2026, and you know, we're transitioning now from we just finished filing our taxes to knowing what the new laws, because laws are always changing. So what do you have for us today, tips-wise?
Yes, we have 3 major changes happening for this 2026 tax year that we're going to be talking about that can help a lot of people get prepared, get ready for the new upcoming tax year, tax laws. There's a few of them we can mention. We have the interest, car interest deduction.
So that's a good one. So now both Ashley and I, we drive American-made cars. Patricia drives a German-made car. So do we have any implications that we could write off
¿Tú
potentially?
estás siendo racista?
Well,
Por el país.
there are some qualifications to be able to get certain requirements needed. Yes, the vehicle has to be assembled in the USA, but it is only for new vehicles.
Oh, okay, yeah, so I missed that by 10 years.
Yes.
It's a nice vehicle, but I missed it by 10
So if
years.
it's not new, it's not going to be applied.
So new,
anything from 2025 to during the time frame of 2025 to 2028 time frame only, this deduction is available. Now, this deduction is pretty much bottom of the line. You do not need to itemize to receive this deduction. So this will be really good for a lot of
That is amazing.
people.
Okay, gotcha. So for anybody that has a brand new
the ones
car.
that have new.
Yes, and you can deduct up to $10,000.
Ooh.
That is
So I need to go get a new car just to brag that
That's
I
an
got
incentive.
some deductions.
That's an incentive to purchase.
Yeah, that is a good news. Now, in other hands, I mean, it's another rules also for the kids. I have 2 kids, but the new regulations is for everyone. What is going to be the qualifications to open bank accounts? In this case, this is the news, right? It's about bank accounts for the kids.
Yeah, so it's starting July 2026. Children will be available to have a $1,000 put into an account, and it's a tax-deferred account. So it's a way for children to be able to start investing in a very young age.
Oh, that is amazing news, but this just started for 2026, so my boys, they're not qualifying.
Oh, no, your boys are grown men.
Yeah, and there's a time frame again. It's 2025 to 2028. Those are the years that the children are born that can be able to qualify for this.
So I need to have a baby.
Just give me one second. Hey, Ashley, if you're listening, you can have one more.
Yeah, one more, because she got 2.
I don't know why I'm calling for her opinion. She's in the studio like, be quiet.
So if I have another baby, which that's not going to happen, so they're going to
Right. Okay, so that's cool.
Yes.
So we've got that now. So we're all owners of our own company called Living 757 Media. So we're considered a small business, right?
Yes.
So what are some of the tax implications for us as a small business filing in 2026?
Well, there's been 2 updates, 2 massive changes, I would say, for small business owners and side hustlers, because we have a lot of people.
Side hustlers.
A
That's
lot
what I
of
feel
people.
like we are. Yes.
Yeah, so for businesses, the Section 179 expansion allows you to be able to have a bigger deduction when it comes to heavy machineries and when it comes to technology, now that it's booming right now.
Technology, so like podcasts and things of that nature?
Yeah, so they can have expenses that pertain to that, up to 2.5 million.
Really?
Expenses.
Well, we are probably about 98% off from that number. Not even close to that number, but you know what? It feels good to know that option is out.
The option is now. When you mention the hustlers, like what is going to be the deduction for those?
So for the hustlers,
for the hustlers,
yes. So the 1099K is something that third-party companies send out to the IRS. Well, it reverted back to only being $20,000 made or up to $200 in transactions. that is the only people that have to report that income. So if you are side hustling and you're not making that much and you're making underneath that 20,000,
You don't need to
you
make
don't
taxes.
have to
You don't have to
claim
file
taxes
taxes.
on that, because these companies like Venmo and PayPal will not report to the IRS unless it meets their qualifications.
Yes, so the qualifications that will be passing 20K.
Exactly.
Then and this is gonna also call the independent contractors, right?
Yes, self-employed people.
Self-employment.
Okay,
That is
got you.
amazing.
So really quick before we get out of here, there's a little bit of a change with filing status of single and married, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Over the years, it always increases. It keeps on going up. Now for 2026, there's an additional anywhere between $350 to $700 additional of deductions that we can take.
Perfect.
So
Well,
that means it's good to be married or not?
well, you know, it
depends.
depends. It depends on your situation, but
Okay,
you
I'm
know,
not having
like, I
babies.
know
I'm not
certain
gonna get
people-
married.
Right, I know certain people that file individually and all that. So tell people where they can go, because, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the best tax people, CPAs,
Yes.
certified people in Hampton Roads. So tell people how they can reach you really quick.
Okay, you can reach me at 757-319-1773 or at my website, www.abtaxes.com. We also are
Hablan
here.
español, así que vamos a tirar
Sí,
de
hablamos,
español
sí.
también.
Nos puedes comunicar con nosotros al 757-319-1773.
Awesome.
También tenemos una página web que nos puede visitar.
Y mucha noticia para la gente latina, así que si la quieren, es una excelente CPA y preparadora de taxes, así que amigos, no duden en contactarla.
Gracias.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Charlene. Now, we got to go to commercial break, but when we come back, we are going to have a little fun listening to the sounds of Lanique. All right, stay right there. We'll be
Thank
right
you
back.
so much. Gracias.